Hi, Theo here from ElectroFX.com. Welcome to this next video in my day trading series. On the board we have the pound dollar for February 12th, and what I'm looking for here is just to follow this trend a little bit further, trend continuation pattern. And as we stand right now, we have this higher high, and really we just want to maintain this low. So we prefer to have a higher low than that, but anywhere from here up into this area right here. So this sort of looks like a great place for the higher low to occur, and then we'll just be looking to follow the trend one more time. So in order to do this, I'm going to use the Zone Trade Manager, and it will execute my entry triggers for me automatically. Now, if you don't know what my entry triggers are, then I suggest you watch this video series from the beginning, and you will have a complete understanding of what they are. So for now, I'm just going to plot a box right about here and rename it like so. Now what will happen is if price pulls back into this box and I get an entry trigger, which I'm hoping will be here, but would also be happy if it's down here, then the trade will be executed. If price comes through this box without an entry trigger, then the box will remove itself from the chart. So that's really the safety net. Now there's nothing more for me to do at this point in time, and the Zone Trade Manager will email me once a trade is entered anyway. So I'll pause the video and get back to it at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has been entered and my attention has been drawn back to the chart by an email. As we can see, price has reacted in this area right here, which is very nice, great location. We've had the entry trigger, which was of course the higher low, followed by the creation of the higher high, and just a miniature level of momentum to get into this slightly larger level of momentum. Now, I have set a risk reward to 1.5 to 1 on the Zone Trade Manager, so it's pre-plotted things based on that for me. When you look at this chart, you can see that we do have some kind of momentum. We look at this momentum versus where the high could potentially reach if we continue at this pace. So definitely a higher high can be expected. Shooting for an equal or lower high is an extremely conservative play. And so what I'm going to do here is just place my lock profit trigger at a slightly lower high, so I can come back to the chart and see how we're doing, how we arrived there. And I'm going to shoot for a slightly higher high like so. Probably that 70 area. That looks about right to me. So nothing more to do at the moment. I'll pause the video and get back to it at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has reached its break-even point. As you can see, stop loss has moved itself to +1 pip. I like how we've arrived at this area, so I don't think there's anything more to do right now. I'm also happy with the take profit there. And so all I'm going to do now is just wait, and I'll pause the video and get back to it at the next juncture. Okay, this trade has gone to take profit, another successful trade, and really some great risk reward on this trade. If you look at the entry and where the stop loss was versus our take profit, as you can see, well above that 1 to 1 and much closer to the 2 to 1. So nice trade. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and do stay tuned for more.